Low immunity can cause many diseases, including cancers. In fact, cancer is a failure of your immune system to respond to the crisis. I'm revealing 10 key nutrient deficiencies you probably didn't realize are causing your immune system to be weak and how to avoid this. And it's possibly not what you think. Hi, I'm Dr. Mini Malhotra. I'm a board-certified family physician and a functional medicine expert. If you're new to this channel, my goal is to educate viewers on how to avoid many of the common problems we have while we age, and that you don't need to suffer any longer. My client Vivian was only 25 years old. She was suffering concerning rash and repeated colds for which she had to take time off continuously and finally had to quit her job as she felt weak, tired all the time and had brain fog. When we took her diet history, it was poor. Chips, fast food, candy were her staple foods. We checked her nutrient levels and it came back low in omega-3, B vitamins, antioxidants and many more. We used a unique methodology, COPE, cellular detoxification, optimization of hormones, performance nutrition, and enhanced mind mastery to give her a customized nutrition plan with macros and micros which were actually going to help her. We identified key nutrients that she needed to replace in her diet. We optimized her hormones, especially her thyroid. We, motivated her. We actually helped her with mind mastery, with meditation, mindfulness, for her to relax. And within 3 months, she went back to working full time. So making sure that you're eating a diet high in immune boosting nutrients is one way you can take an active role in maintaining your health and wellness. Your body uses and absorbs nutrients more efficiently when they come from whole food sources like fruits, vegetables, and rather than processed foods or supplements. Getting a variety of these foods and nutrients in your diet is essential compared to focusing on just one or two in large quantities. The more colorful your plate is with a variety of choices from the list below, the better. Number 1, vitamin C, citrus fruits and greens. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C such as grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, sweet red pepper, broccoli, strawberries, kale, kiwi fruit are thought to increase white blood cell count production, which is key in fighting infection. 2, beta-carotene. Root vegetables and greens. Beta-carotene convert into vitamin A, which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and can help your antibodies respond to toxins from viruses and other bacteria too. Carrots, spinach, kale, apricot, sweet potatoes, squash, cantaloupes are all great sources of beta-carotene. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, so consuming foods with healthy fats will help in absorption. A great immune-boosting combination would be carrots with traditional hummus or a spinach salad with avocado or olive oil in dressing. Number 3, vitamin E, nuts, seeds, and greens. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that is key in regulating and supporting your immune system function. Foods rich in vitamin E are nuts, seeds, avocado, and spinach. 4, antioxidant. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that have been shown to enhance immune function. It also contains amino acid that may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells, which reduces inflammation in the body and helps fight infection. Green tea has been consumed a lot, these days, hot or cold or even as matcha powder. Number 5, vitamin D, sunshine, from fish and eggs. Vitamin D is essential to the immune function and helps regulate the body's immune response. It can be found in salmon, canned tuna, egg yolks, and mushroom. Your body can also synthesize vitamin D within just 13 to 15 minutes of sunshine 3 times a week. Number 6, probiotics for gut health and immunity. Yogurt, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, tempeh, fermented soybeans, and certain types of cheeses contains live culture which are known as probiotics, which are thought to help stimulate the immune system to fight off disease. The microbiome, or the good bacteria in your digestive system, determines how other nutrients and harmful bacteria are processed in your body, making probiotics perhaps one of the most important functions for immunity. The microbiome helps you process nutrients described throughout the rest of this video, and while also acting as an extra barrier for fighting off harmful bacteria and fungi. Number 7, garlic. T-cell booster garlic contains compounds that help your immune system fight germs in a variety of ways by stimulating cells important to fighting disease and helping to regulate the immune system. It helps to boost the production of the virus-fighting T cells that can reduce the amount of stress hormones your body produces, which can keep your immune system functioning at full strength. Number 8, vitamin B6. In the lymphatic system, it boosts your lymphatic system and red blood cells. Vitamin B6 is essential for the formation of new and healthy red blood cells, aids in maintaining the lymphatic system. It is found in chicken, turkey, cold water fish like salmon, tuna, chickpeas, bananas, fortified breakfast cereal, and nutritional yeast are great options for consuming vitamins B6. Number 9, water. Hydration and immunity. Water helps your lymph, which carries the white blood cells and other immune system cells throughout the body. There are many foods which are high water content, such as cucumber, watermelon, and celery. If you have a hard time drinking plain water, try a cup of green tea with lemon, watermelon or cucumber or mint-infused water for an immune system-powered beverage. Think of proper hydration as a way to make it easier for your immune-boosting nutrients to get to where they need to into the cells of your body. Number 10, zinc. Found in shellfish, poultry, and beans. Immune system cells need zinc to function as they are intended. Zinc is a mineral that our body does not store or produce. While oysters have the highest food content of zinc, there are several options such as shellfish, crabs, clams, lobsters, and mussels, poultry, chicken or turkey, red meat, and beans. Zinc is also found in certain fortified cereals and some breads, but the best consumption comes from animal-based foods. So nutrition and supplements are really important, because sometimes we need to supplement our nutrients, and that's because we have lost the topsoil. So many of the plants and vegetables do not have the same nutrient they had 20 to 30 years ago. And in our practice, we are very focused on customizing nutrition for each of our clients, because everyone is different. Everyone's metabolism is different, genetics is different. So a one-size-fits-all nutrition doesn't work for everyone, and it will not work for you. If you have any comments, post those below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all my content. If you like this video, then make sure that you watch the other videos that I have created if you're looking for more education or help. I'm sure you're going to love, so please check that out.